Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning, and I'm myself Abhimanyu, and welcome you all in the best panel discussion on the why marriages are falling. So, firstly, I discuss something about our magazine that is Namaste India e-magazine is a collaborative initiative of Akal Academy, Gujarat, and Snace Perch Foundation, Maharashtra. Team Namaste India Group, revolutionize, reawaken, reform. So first, I welcome Mrs. Bhavneet Kaur, educator, ex-principal, poet, trainer, founder, editor-in-chief of Namaste India e-magazine. An educationist by profession with excellent interpersonal communication skills. I strive the commitment towards inspiring youth, young minds, and creative classrooms that will capture a child's imagination and breed success. She is a professional educator with an immense 30 years of experience in teaching, developing curriculum, training, and leading schools. Akal Academy of Arts and Artists was founded by Ma'am and her sisters to promote art culture. We are happy to see to grow Akal Academy of Educators and Akal Academy of Business Women. Ma'am has given this the foundation of magazine. First, I congratulate to Ma'am. Second, I welcome Mr. Sudhir Solanke, theme and concept designer, founder, creative and media head. A creative designer by profession, he has worked in all spheres of media and communication. He has also worked with various news channels and animation studios. An ardent lover of arts and culture has made him create opportunities for people with similar goals to create a platform for future generations. Snace Perch Social Foundation was the first step towards the goal sought for him. He has 15 years of experience in media and communication, has led to envision the dream of our e-magazine, Namaste India. I welcome Bhavneet ma'am and Sudhir sir. I welcome Brigadier Jagjit Singh Ahuja, retired. He is an engineer turned soldier, settled at Sikandrabad after retirement from the armed forces in 1994. While in service, spent maximum time with Survey of India, the national mapping agency of the country. Now engaged in consulting on human resource development, he is currently founder director of Reach Beyond, an NGO working for enhancing the potentials of first generation of school going children. I welcome you, sir. I welcome Mrs. Raminder Palkor. She is working as a principal and in Fathers International School. She is serving as an educator from 20 years, despite getting married at an early age of 17. No obstacle can stop her in achieving her aim. Being a proud daughter of Vice Principal Mrs. Balbir Kaur, SAGN Senior Model School, Ambala City, she always dreamed of becoming a passionate educator in her childhood, as this passion is inherited from her mother. She never deviated from her path, and no matter how many hurdles came, she took her early marriage as a privilege, and with the support of her husband, she taught for 5 years while graduating from college. With the support of her family, she possessed an MA degree in English literature, an MPhil in English literature, a BA degree, and an MA in education. For 15 years, she spread her wisdom and knowledge as a teacher. After that, her talent got recognized, and now she is working as a principal from 5 years and is still serving. She's published poetess and she writes beautiful verses. She writes blogs on social issues. Whenever she sees injustice, she pens down the pain of the society. So her pen, as it's already said, a pen is mightier than a sword. She always said one thing: there is a supportive man behind the success of this movement. And I welcome ma'am for this panel. Thank you so much for coming here. I welcome Dr. Chaya Devi. She's an academician. Chaya Devi from University of Hyderabad. She is a MA in English Literature, MPhil in Gender Studies, Women Scientists in Universities, PhD in Gender Studies on Women's Health in Hyderabad. Apart from the academics, she is a social scientist established an organization Manavta Parivartan Society at Hyderabad. She organized healthcare awareness to the unprivileged communities, colleges, and schools to since 2 decades, and also conduct communication skills workshop and training sessions to national and international students and professionals too. She had a decade of teaching experience, which gave her an edge to outreach the need-based services in health and hygiene to the less privileged society. Welcome, ma'am. And last but not the least, Ms. Prerna Chatterjee. She's a postgraduate in business management with over 15 years work experience in leading corporates like Wipro Technologies, Thomas Cook, Intertrust Group, etc. She's an aspiring entrepreneur driving with the aim of contributing to society. She is a hobby writer, columnist, English language trainer, and a public speaker. Also a volunteer with NGOs dedicated to women and children upliftment. I welcome you, ma'am, in this panel. This is the from my
Thank you.
side. So I again welcome all of the panelists in this. So now I discuss starting with the Bhavneet ma'am.